What are you buying today?
I'm buying a new phone case. Just a phone case.
Where do you usually shop online?
I usually shop on Amazon, mostly Amazon.
What app do you use for clothes?
I use Zara's app for clothes, just the Zara app.
What did you order last time?
I ordered a pair of sneakers, just some sneakers.
What time do you usually shop online?
I usually shop late at night, usually at night.
What's in your cart right now?
I have a jacket and a book, just two things.
How do you pay for your orders?
I use my credit card, just a credit card.
What delivery option do you choose?
I go for standard delivery, standard one.
What's your favorite shopping app?
My favorite is Shopee. Shopee's my go-to.
What kind of deals do you look for?
I look for free shipping and discounts, mostly discounts.
Where did you find that product?
I found it on Instagram ads, just saw it there.
How much did that cost online?
It cost me 20, only 20.
What are you searching for today?
I'm searching for wireless earbuds, just some earbuds.
What brand do you prefer for shoes?
I prefer Nike, mostly Nike.
What's your usual budget when shopping?
I usually keep it under $50, around $50.
What did you like about that store?
It had great reviews and prices, good reviews.
What did you return recently?
I returned a broken charger, just the charger.
What took the longest to arrive?
A jacket took 2 weeks, took forever.
What's your most recent order?
A Bluetooth speaker, just ordered it.
What's your shopping schedule like?
I shop once or twice a week, a couple of times.
What kind of clothes do you buy online?
I buy t-shirts and jeans, mostly casual wear.
What's your go-to for electronics?
I usually use Amazon or Best Buy, Amazon mainly.
What size did you choose for that shirt?
I chose medium, size M.
What color options did it have?
It had black, white, and blue. I picked black.
What's the estimated delivery date?
It should arrive by Friday, this Friday.
What's your biggest online shopping mistake?
I once ordered the wrong size. Totally my fault.
What do you do if an item doesn't fit?
I ask for a return or exchange. I return it.
What kind of packaging did it come in?
It came in a small box, very neat.
What do you usually read before buying?
I read the customer reviews, always reviews.
What do you always check on a product page?
I check ratings and shipping info, mostly ratings.
What coupon did you use?
I use a 20% off code, got it online.
What's your favorite thing you've ordered?
My favorite is my smartwatch, still love it.
What do you order most often?
I order skincare products a lot, mostly skincare.
What product surprised you the most?
The power bank was better than expected, really good.
What do you never buy online?
I never buy shoes online, always tricky.
What do you like about online shopping?
It's quick and convenient, so easy.
What frustrates you about it?
Sometimes the sizing is off, that's annoying.
What did you recommend to a friend?
I recommended a phone holder, works great.
What store has the fastest shipping?
Amazon delivers really fast, always reliable.
What kind of gadgets do you shop for?
I like buying small electronics, mostly accessories.
What payment method do you trust most?
I trust PayPal the most, always secure.
What do you usually add to your wish list?
I add clothes and tech items, mostly gadgets.
What store disappointed you?
A random shop on AliExpress, poor quality.
What made you cancel your last order?
It was taking too long to ship, delayed too much.
What's the most expensive item you bought online?
My laptop was the most expensive, cost a lot.
What's the cheapest thing you ever bought?
A phone case for $1, super cheap.
What do you do if you get the wrong item?
I contact customer service. They fix it.
What item came broken before?
A makeup mirror came shattered. It was bad.
What's something you always check twice before buying?
I double check the size chart, always sizes.
What kind of discounts do you usually wait for?
I wait for seasonal sales, big ones.
What sale event do you love most?
I love Black Friday sales, best deals.
What app do you use for groceries?
I use Instacart, very convenient.
What subscription service do you use online?
I use Amazon Prime, totally worth it.
What's your last fashion purchase?
A pair of jeans just arrived.
What did you buy for someone else online?
I bought my friend a wallet, simple gift.
What do you do when tracking doesn't work?
I call customer service, they usually help.
What part of online shopping do you enjoy?
I enjoy browsing new arrivals, it's fun.
What's the worst review you've read?
Someone got fake AirPods, total scam.
What kind of return policy do you look for?
I want at least 30 days return, with free returns.
What do you dislike about some online sellers?
They don't update the shipping status, that's frustrating.
What online store do you trust most?
I trust Amazon the most, never had issues.
What happens if the item goes out of stock?
I wait or find it elsewhere. Try another store.
What did you want to buy but skipped?
I wanted a smartwatch but didn't get it. Too pricey.
What time do you get the best deals?
Midnight or early morning. That's when deals drop.
What's your go-to for home decor online?
I shop on IKEA's website. Great options.
What online store has great customer service?
Zappos is really helpful. Super friendly.
What store has the worst return process?
I had a bad experience on Wish. Took forever.
What do you like about mobile shopping apps?
They're easy to use. Very fast.
What do you hate about long shipping times?
I get impatient waiting. Can't help it.
What do you do when the site crashes?
I wait and refresh. Or try the app.
What made you love online shopping?
The variety and prices. So much choice.
What's the first thing you check on a product?
I check if it's in stock. Availability first.
What's the latest trend you bought online?
I bought chunky sneakers. Very trendy.
What online store do you use for gifts?
I use Etsy for unique gifts. Lots of choices.
What do you do before buying from a new site?
I check online reviews. Always check.
What do you always forget to order?
I forget chargers all the time. Always forget.
What do you prefer, shopping online or in-store?
I prefer online shopping. Much easier.
What kind of accessories do you buy online?
Phone cases, belts, and bags. Small stuff.
What made you trust that new brand?
The reviews were really good. Lots of stars.
What item did you regret buying?
A jacket that didn't fit. Should have checked sizing.
What do you save for later often?
Mostly tech gadgets, waiting for discounts.
What's something you buy every month?
I buy skincare every month. Routine stuff.
What category do you browse most?
I browse electronics the most. Love gadgets.
What kind of customer support do you expect?
Quick replies and refunds. That's fair.
What was your first online purchase?
A book from eBay many years ago.
What was your last digital item purchase?
I bought an ebook yesterday. Instant download.
What's something you learned from shopping online?
Always read the fine print. It matters.
What motivates you to finish checkout?
A time-limited coupon works every time.
What stops you from buying something?
High shipping fees, always a turnoff.
What's something you always compare before buying?
I compare prices on other sites. Price matters.
What do you do if the item is fake?
I report it and ask for a refund. Take action.
What's your favorite online shopping hack?
Using cashback extensions, easy savings.
What do you like about shopping internationally?
More variety and unique items. Worth the wait.
What app do you use for secondhand stuff?
I use eBay and Facebook Marketplace.